this is David again, and today what we're going to do is we're going to work on making some soaps. And I like starting easy, and we'll progress to the more complex. But our first soap is going to be a dishwashing powdered detergent. It's pretty simple. We're going to use some of that baking or some of that washing soda we talked about a second ago, some borax, and I don't particularly like one brand over the other because this is basically just a chemical. It's 100% sodium tetraborate, or it's only listed sodium tetraborate on the ingredients. So some borax, some sodium carbonate, some sort of airtight container, and a measure cup. That's all you need. And to make some, all you do is measure equal amounts of the two ingredients. So what we're going to do is we're going to put about a cup of the washing soda, and then we're going to put a cup you see why I'm not a chemist. I ended up blowing myself up. A cup of the borax, put the lid on there, and shake it till it's combined. Okay? 50-50. Now, the way you'd use this is you'd put about a tablespoon in your dishwasher, okay, for your load, and then instead of using jet dry, just use some distilled white vinegar. Doesn't matter the brand, just some distilled white vinegar. Put about half a cup or so in the liquid rinse agent portion, okay? And then you'll get clean dishes at about 3 cents or so a load. Each one of these containers was about $2 or so a box, and I only used a cup, so I've got many boxes because this is about a 3 pound 7 ounce container, so there's multiple cups in there. So that's all you got to do. Thanks.